Hello, Talentless Maker here. This isn't me, this is a gnome. So I did a short film a while ago about this dude. So what happened, the backstory is that they cleaned the communal area behind my flat, and this dude and a cat statue were found in there, and the workmen, instead of just throwing them away, left them on my doorstep. Because that's what you do with gnomes, apparently. So I saw this guy. He's been sat there outside for a few weeks, so I brought him in, cleaned him up, and we're going to give him a makeover. Because that's what you do with gnomes. Always be nice to gnomes. Always. Because you don't know what they get up to at night when you're asleep. Much like my cats. Anyway, yep, so the plan for today is just going to clean him up a little bit more. Get some isopropyl alcohol, clean off all that. Take some reference photographs for the colours. Give him a coat of plastic primer. Use plastic. And then start the new paint job. So, yeah, so I'm just going to replicate the colours, the light blue, the dark blue. The hat I'm going to do red, I think. Purple patch, purple trousers, black shoes, all the colours that you can see there. Just going to give it a clean up to get some of this stuff off. And that's the plan for today. So yeah, no me, no me, no me, no me, no me, no me, no.